CBFI Edible Ice Factory Project Showcase. This is an integrated ice-making plant located in a coastal area of Southeast Asia.
Welcome to my ice-making factory. Our factory is equipped with tube ice machines and direct cooling block ice machines. Our equipment boasts stable performance and high ice-making efficiency. We supply both industrial ice and edible ice. The water source for edible ice is filtered through an raw water filtration system. All parts in contact with water during the ice-making process are made of stainless steel. The produced ice is clean, aesthetically pleasing, and slow to melt. Our ice blocks are made using direct cooling technology. This avoids the pollution caused by traditional ice-making methods. As a result, the ice blocks are purer and more transparent, making them an ideal choice for fishery preservation and high-end food processing.
The ice plant is designed for low investment and fast deployment. It meets diverse ice demands across different markets. Edible ice production uses a CBFI 10-ton tube ice machine. With high refrigeration efficiency and long-term operational stability, it maintains reliable output even in hot and humid environments. Industrial ice production uses two CBFI 10-ton direct cooling block ice machines. The unique CBFI evaporator design offers high strength and deformation resistance. With direct refrigeration, it achieves higher heat transfer efficiency and strong output. The automated control system with ice lifting and pushing makes ice discharge faster and easier. CBFI now serves customers in over 170 countries and regions, providing one-stop customized edible ice plant solutions for you.